Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we'll be taking you through how to mold this particular hat I'll be showing you. Yes, it's not like a hat, it's a cap or a fascinating cap. Yes, let me just call it a fascinating cap. It's a three-ring fascinator, or it's a three ring block, and you can either use the center, that's the middle ring, with the outer ring, or use the middle ring with the inner ring. So that is just what it is. But for this particular one I'll be taking you through, I use the middle ring with the outer ring to form this. So I'll be taking you through this session on how to actually block. A lot of people had actually called for me to teach them this method or the way to block this particular fascinator. So first of all you need to do is cover your mold with a cling film or a normal nylon, whichever one is at your disposal. Just get it and cover your block, and when you're done covering, then we'll move to the next thing to do. Okay, so we are done with this particular stage, that's covering of the mold with a cling film. So up next is just to get your paper mat and fold into two, soak inside water, squeeze out the excess water, then you start blocking. Actually, that is what it entails. There's no much thing that is involved in this particular stage. So when you are done, all you need to do is look closely while I block. There's no special thing about it. Make sure that there is enough space at the center so you'll be able to pin first at the inner ring. So when you're done pinning first at the inner ring, when you notice that the thing is beginning to stretch, all you need to do is get a scissors, create a little hole in between, and even if possible give a smaller cut, so either your cinema or your paper mat or your felt can just relax more on the body of the ring. So that is just what I'm doing now, and when you're done with that, you can now move to blocking the outer ring. So that's just it. When you're done, we'll move to the next stage, which is blocking the smaller ring, and it's totally different from what you are looking at now. So you just have to stay back and watch and learn. Thank you. Yeah, so always remember to block the cross sections before you move to the other parts of the ring. That's blocking the north, the south, the east and west direction before you now start blocking the other parts of the ring. That will help your cinema or your felt or your paper mat to be accurately and neatly blocked. So that is just idea about this blocking. By the time you do otherwise, except if you're a professional, you understand, or you're expert in the field, then you can actually find your way through. But if you are just doing it anyhow, or you don't follow this particular method, I am very sure that you will surely tweet the whole thing and it's going to look very bad. So please take this advice and put it into practice. I hope you enjoy the whole thing at the end of the day. Okay guys, so for this second blocking, we do the same as we did at the first by soaking our paper mat in the water and squeeze out the excess water. Now aside from that, I'll be covering the ring with a clean a felt material. I actually doubled this. You can as well triple it to create it, just for us to create a curvy and a padded looking centerpiece for this hat. So that is just the idea of putting a felt material, but I also did something at the later stage of this video, so I encourage you guys to keep watching. And after you finish blocking the felt or maybe pinning down the felt, you can now take your paper mat to cover up and then block round. Then at the end of this particular section, I'll also be showing you what I did to enhance the curvy look of the center of the cap. So also, if you are new to our channel, yes, welcome guys. Thank you for clicking, and I appreciate you guys watching to this very moment. And if you find this video useful, I would like you to subscribe, like and share this video. And also, you don't need to necessarily start downloading to distribute other places. What you just need to do is click on the share button. It directs you to other social sites or social media sites where you can actually share this video on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram and all that. So you can actually share these videos and encourage other people to watch, subscribe to the channel. It's also important. So after, you can see that I'm done blocking. I'm almost done with the blocking. This is what you do for the second ring. There was no need to open the center because this is actually meant to be covered. So that is the good thing about this one. And when you are done, all we need to do is stiffen and then dry. But I will still want you to stay back and watch what I did to enhance the curvy look. So all you need to do now is just to stiffen your fascinator, blocked fascinator, and dry them. When it's dry, it looks like the white one. So thank you guys for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next tutorial video. And for now, you can also click on next video and watch. That's the next video on the screen. Thank you guys. Bye.